Hey dosto, how are you all? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how you can deploy or make your Streamlit project live on the internet like your website, app or any other projects and share it with your friends or anyone else. This video will be the part 1 where we will deploy a simple Streamlit website or project step by step. First, understand what is a Streamlit. Streamlit is a Python library that helps you build simple and interactive websites or app easily using Python code. So, without wasting any time, let's simply go to my screen. So basically, this is my mini project, a to-do list project. This project is created using Streamlit library. So I am going to live this project on website so that anyone can access this project. Just see me how I'm going to deploy this project. So now I'm going to create one file. Uh, I'm going to click first close this. I'm going to I'm going on view, then tool window, then on terminal. Here I'm going to click command prompt. Now I am writing code pip freeze requirements requirements dot txt. Enter. Now I'm going to close this. Now go to file manager where this project where this file is created. Here this file is created. Now I'm going to cut this file and just go to Streamlit project and paste it here. Now I'm going to on my web browser and search GitHub. On GitHub, I'm going to create a repository. So I am on my GitHub profile and I click on this repository. Now I'm going to click on new. Now I'm going to name my repository to do app. Now I'm going to make it public, add a readme file and simple create repository. Now my repository is created. Now I'm going to add my files. Click on this add file, upload file, choose your file and go. Now here my file to do and requirements. First double click this file requirements and remove all the unnecessary uh, text. Just leave only one text. Control F, Streamlit, enter. Remove all the above text of Streamlit and below just leave these two lines in which Streamlit is written. Control S, cut. Now going to going to web browser, GitHub, and select these two files. Open, and our files are uploaded. Commit changes. Our files are added. Now here the GitHub work is done. Now go to Streamlit. go to Streamlit, click on this website. Now click on Cloud. Now click on Join Community. First, you have to sign up or sign in to this website. Then you can access these links. So click on Cloud, then Join Community Cloud. Then here are my some previous deployed apps, uh, websites. Uh, Now simply click on Create Apps. Click on this GitHub link. Deploy now. Now click on repository my to do app, branch main, string, uh, to do list py. We can change our URL. I am going to write to do my to do app, my to do app, my to do app. So domain subdomain is already taken. My to do, my personal to do. This domain is available. My personal to do dot streamlit dot app. This is my URL. Advanced, click on advanced setting. Click on Python version 3.13. Click on save. Uh, Always select the latest version and click on save. Click on deploy. Now our website is going to live. It will take a little bit of time, so keep patience. So my app is live now. So let's test it. So do coding, add task, do coding, do shopping, add task, do do cooking, add task. Now if I check any of this, it will consider as completed task. I check, it will go to completed task. I check this, it will also go to complete task. I check this, it will also go to complete task. If I uncheck any of this, it will remove from this. Do shopping, remove. Do cooking, remove. So now if I am going to copy this and again paste it, our app is still running because it is now uploaded on cloud server. So anyone write this URL can access my website and see my project. So this is the simplest way of deploying our app. So it's a simple project. Uh, in the next video, I'm going to deploy a more advanced project. So stay tuned. Thank you.